Who is gonna get exposed tonight?
C'est bon d'actrice.
Every Namibian is entitled to my opinion.
Okay, guys, get out of the bed. Yes, Sandri is pregnant. I honestly did not want to do this video, Shashi. It was quite obvious. If you are a lady and you look at Sandri's recent pictures, you can tell that Nogucha, she is pregnant. Anyways, let's get into this full story. Guys, don't forget to order your mugs and buy your t-shirts and hoodies with your girl Namibia's Hottie. You guys know winter is coming up. Huh? We are now in April. We are heading towards April, or we are already in April. Please order your things with your girl Namibia's Hottie. This is my WhatsApp number here, and please support me. Anyways, let's get into the story. First of all, let's start. I'm sure by now, if you're watching this video, then you probably know who Sandri is. I personally love her come up. I love how she got herself to the top, because a lot of girls will kill to get where she is today. Honey, she made herself. Anyways, honey, Sandri recently has been, posting pictures and Instagram stories and whatsoever that the girl is pregnant. She is literally pregnant. I confirmed with a close source to that camp. Somebody from that camp confirmed to me that Nogucha, yes, she is pregnant. I think that pregnancy is 2 or 3 months. The first thing that can show you that she's pregnant, let's start with the boobs. This is Sandri. This is an old picture of her. Look at the boobs, Amanga, and look at how her boobs look like right now. Can you tell the difference there? There is no way she's gotten a surgery. We will have known about it. I would have known about it, by the way. So the only explanation as to why her breast got large is because of pregnancy, because she is pregnant. And I'm sure people are wondering, now whose child is it? Is it DJ Castro's? Guys, how many times should I tell you that Nogucha, she and DJ Castro broke up long ago? I already told you that. Yeah, but I saw her at Tochivarong. I'm like, I even told you when I made that video, Nogucha, Sandri is a stepmother, not a stepmother or a godmother, or she's got a close bond with Castro's daughter. So she takes that daughter as her own. So she just went to attend the baptism of the child as friends. Believe me, Castro did not tap that in a while. He hasn't tapped that in a while. And if you follow him on Instagram, you will see that he's always on Instagram live. They're proposing girls. Oh yes, he is always doing it there. Anyways, I want to give you a clue who is the father. Okay, I'm going to give you the clue. I'm not going to mention names, Sashi. I'm on the range, then I'll be sued here. Come closer, come. I'm going to whisper this story. I'm whispering this part, okay? Allegedly, Meme Winya called Sandri to warn her to back off from her men. Do you guys hear me? Allegedly, Meme Winya, because I'm not sure if he's the father, but my close source is suspecting he is the father. Oh yes. And honey, he is loaded. That's for sure. He is very much loaded. So Sandri and her child will be cared for life. And probably even I will have done it, Shashi. Honey, if I get a man that's loaded, honey, I'm trapping him for life. Giving him a child is me ensuring that my child's future and my future is secured for life. So congratulations are in order, and remember, you've heard it here first. And I'm sure you like us, I'm a lot of things. You can call me a man, a woman, a gay, a lesbian, or whatsoever. But what I'm not is a liar. I'm a lot of things, but a liar is not one of them. A lie is not one of them. It's exclusive. And tell your friends and pass on the news. Nokcha, Hoti or Kwati, Sandri is pregnant. And it's a close source that I trust. Just wait. In 3 months from now, you will see what I'm saying. And the father is loaded. And he's alleged. Now I'm wondering, was Sandri having an affair with Tato? Or I really don't know now. I really don't know, because I know he's... Anyways, when you should just take a chill pill, Shashi, what goes around comes around. Anyways, are you guys shocked by this news? Let me know in the comments down below. And I hope a lot of you are happy, Shashi. You have been stepping me in the inbox, in the DMs with this story. Anyways, yeah.
Expose.